In yet another disturbing case of repression, Indian forces have illegally detained three ninth-grade Kashmiri students from Sangri colony in Baramulla, deepening fears of torture and coercion under the Modi's regime colonial tactics in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the boys Arslan, Sadiq and Najibullah, all students of St. Joseph's Higher Secondary School, went missing after returning from school on Thursday. Their families, they raised alarm when the students did not return home for hours. Sadiq's father said the parents initially believed the boys were together, but panic spread when none of the families had any information. We contacted each other and even went to the school, but the administration knew nothing, Arslan's father, a shopkeeper, told the media. Locals later informed the families that Indian Army personnel had been seen forcefully taking away three young boys near their bikes. The families recovered the bikes, rushed to nearby police station where the officials they denied custody but did admit it. The boys had been taken by a special branch of the Indian Army. Instead of providing details, police threatened the families with punitive actions. On Friday morning, an anonymous caller confirmed the boys were in Indian Army custody, being interrogated on vague allegations of anti-Indian activities. When the family demanded details, they were told not to make much fuss. "We cannot remain silent when our children are being tortured," says Sadiq's father, who worked as a night guard. The Indian Army has a long history of coercion, forced confession and torture of Kashmiri youth. How can we leave our children to their mercy? Najibullah's father, whose only child has been detained, broke down as neighbors attempted to comfort him. A teacher from St. Joseph School, requesting anonymity, said, "These boys are respectful and very quiet. They are only in 9th standard. Accusing them of anti-India activity is literally baseless. So if India continues this coercion, more students will raise their voice against human rights violation." Human rights groups have strongly condemned the abduction and illegal detention of minors, calling it another alarming example of India's militarized crackdown in Kashmir. As the traumatized families, they await the news of their children. The incident once again exposed the BJP-RSS regime's abusive tactics, which are aimed at silencing the younger generation of Kashmiris and crushing their fundamental rights.